this lesson, I want to show you how to create a restaurant website. You know, a few years ago, well, several years ago when I first got started in the web design industry, this is about 16 years or so ago. At that time, they didn't have the drag and drops and all this fancy stuff we had. I had a client that needed a restaurant website, and it was such a challenge for me because I had to learn the coding. It took me, a long time to get it done. Well, today I want to show you how with Quix Page Builder, you can be able to get that accomplished literally in seconds. So you go to the add template, you click on the pages tab, and you want to go to where it says restaurant. And right now you have all the pages for the restaurant. So you go, I want to build a restaurant website for my business or for a new client. And I can charge them $250 or $500 or whatever amount you want to charge them. And this is how you do it. You click here, you see insert. Let's do this. Now look at this. In just one click, with a single click, you have been successfully able to create a high-end restaurant website. So if you're a startup and you wanted to build your own restaurant website and you like, man, I don't have the budget to hire a designer to do this for me. Let me just do it by myself. I just saved you several hundred, even several $1,000s just by showing you how to do it with just one click. At this point, you can literally change anything and everything you see on there. When you put your mouse over this, look at this. Whatever you put your mouse on, you click on this edit, you can edit anything on here. If you want to edit this whole section, you can do that. This food, you can do, let's scroll down. You can add your chefs, you can resize them, make them big, make them small, however you want them to be. And then you scroll down with this, with the testimonial, you can click to edit it. You can change the client's name, put the information there and click apply. You can change their photo, you're done. And you scroll down to the food. You can put your menu, you can change everything you see on this page. And it only took you just one click. So if you're a restaurant and you want to get your website set up, literally, you can set this up within minutes. And as I just showed you, you don't have to be a coder. You scroll back up. This is a beautiful, simple, and elegant design. And your website can be up and going. If you want to change this background, all you got to do, listen, just come right here. You go to settings and you go to styles and you go to background. And this is the image. So if you have a different image that you want to put there, you can do that. Or let's say you decide you want to put an image back there. You just want to leave it whatever color. You can be able to do that, change the color as well. So I'm changing the colors right now. Look, I'm changing that just by clicking here, and I've set up a very beautiful site. And if you want to apply what you've done, you click apply. But if you realize that, nah, you know what? I want to keep this to what it is. So I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to click cancel. And you have the original stuff there. So this literally just saved you a lot of money. Or if you want to become a web designer, creating websites for people, you can do this literally within minutes and you can have this site up and going and they will love it because it looks clean. Let's check out the, right now it's just the desktop. Let's check out the tablet. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Let's check out the mobile phone. Incredible. The same thing. So now there you have it. You just created a beautiful restaurant website for your business and you didn't have to spend a single penny to hire some high-end designer to charge you a crazy amount just to build something as beautiful and as simple as this.